In this video you'll see how to highlight parts of a picture as though with a spotlight. Let's see what I mean. So this is the original photo we'll work with here, just to show you how it starts out looking, filling the slide. And then on the next slide, this is how it'll look with this spotlight effect. Now the good thing about this method is, if I decide that I want to change the highlight and move it somewhere else on the photo or the picture, I can do that and the highlight will update automatically. It's dynamic. Let me show you what I mean. So say I want to highlight this yellow leaf just under the boy's face here. If I drag the spotlight area down, it adjusts to the picture underneath. And I can rotate that if I like, and similarly stretch it whatever I want, and it's just highlighting whatever's underneath on the background picture. So let's see how to set that up. We'll go to a blank slide now. First, what you need to do is put the picture on the background of the slide. So I'll right click on a blank area of the slide, choose Format Background, Picture or Texture Fill, and click the File button here. Then just double click the photo you want. So I can close that now. Next I'll put a rectangle over the whole slide that's the dimmed area. So just drag from one corner of the slide to the opposite corner. Right click on the shape you've drawn and choose Format Shape. Then on the Fill tab, click the Color button and I'll choose black and set the transparency to 50%. Then on the Line Color tab, choose No Line. I'll leave this dialog box open because we'll need it again in a minute for the other shapes I'm going to draw as the highlighted areas. So the first highlighted area, I'll choose a rectangle just for an example and drag over the boy's face at the top of the photo. Again, for this example I'm going to choose No Line, just so there's no border around the shape. And on the Fill tab, choose Slide Background Fill. That's what pulls the picture through to fill this smaller rectangle I've just drawn. Now the highlight areas you draw can be any shape you like. So for the next one, let's do an oval. You could do a star or free form. As I say, whatever shape you want to draw. I'll just highlight this other boy's face here. Again, choose Slide Background Fill, and on the Line Color tab, No Line. If you're highlighting areas of a screenshot, say, or just depending on what the effect was you were trying to produce, you might want to have a line around there, maybe a red line, a thick border. It's really up to you, whatever you choose. Just for this example, I'm just getting rid of the line altogether. So now I can close this dialog box. That's really it. So if I move the shape just as before, let's move this rectangle down here, it adjusts because we've chosen Slide Background Fill. So this one I might choose to rotate it, and it's matching the picture underneath. So there you have it, and I hope you find that a useful technique. Look out in the blog post that accompanies this video for links to other videos related to it, and thanks for watching.